pot, making a fire under it, and then imagine the steam of the spirit goes up through this pipe, and then it goes through this cold water, turns it into liquid, which is already heaven, vodka.
Good evening, everyone. This is David Hoffman from Davidsbeenhere in beautiful Ashtarak, Armenia. I'm here with my guide Lucine, and we are so excited because
this is the very end of harvest.
The end of harvest.
We just got here for that.
Literally, we just picked these grapes. These are the Voshkehat grape, indigenous to Armenia, delicious white wine. And this town is famous for their walnuts, but they're also famous for producing wine. It's only located about a 30-minute drive north of Yerevan, so really close. And today what we're doing is we're actually staying at a winery. What's the name of the winery?
It's Yeganyans Bed Breakfast.
Okay.
And their wine, homemade wine.
And their homemade wine. So basically they have a bed and breakfast, and under it they have like a wine garden, they have a wine room, they have delicious food, delicious wine. Are you guys ready? I'm super excited, I'm hungry, and I need to try some of this wine. Armenian wine, the best.
It's a VAS 2107.
Soviet Union.
VAS 2107. It's not under the production anymore.
No, I know. It's a Soviet Union car. Oh my god. I mean, this is what you use here to go on super rocky roads, because this is a super insane road.
This car is older than all of us.
And is he the owner, or what is he?
He is the owner, yes.
He's the owner?
Yeah,
I didn't know that. Awesome. So my friend, wine, food. After a quick 5-minute drive, we made it here to the winery. So like I said before, they have a wine room and a wine garden. Over here they have the room. That's where we're gonna have dinner, I think. And over here they have the garden. Wow, this is really, really nice. So it's something you'll see here a lot in Armenia, is they have like gardens. So everybody has, you know, lunch in a garden. You can go to restaurants in the garden. This one's awesome. Look, and you got barrels right here. You can smell the wine, the oak. Non-stop grapes everywhere, guys. Look at this, so pretty. Sun setting. Oh, this is really an experience. Something you gotta do when you come is definitely visit places like this. You know, relax. You could do overnights, or you could just go and eat, you know, while you're driving to your next destination. Now I'm gonna give you a little tour of the bed and breakfast. So like the rooms are up here. So here we have the family room, right? Dining area. Well, it's pretty cool. A couch like this. Like,
it goes to garden for us.
Oh, that goes to the garden for us? Awesome. Okay, I was like, what is this? And what's over here? The room's over here?
Yes. So in Yeganyan guest house, they have 2 rooms for 4 people. And they have another extra room. By the way, each room has separate bathrooms. And they have another extra room. And when there is a family, one family, they give the 2 rooms so they can use 1 bathroom.
So we're now in the kitchen, and here is our dinner. So we got beef, we got lamb, we got green beans. It looks phenomenal. I'm getting really hungry, but we still have an hour, right?
Oh yeah.
So let's try some wine. Let's have a glass. By the way, they also have a little surprise for us. We're gonna learn how to make our distill vodka. Masterclass on distilling vodka. I didn't know they did that as well here. So they make vodka.
So now he decided to skip the wine for a while, and we go for
Why not? Why not? Where is it? It's over here? That's how you distill it? Wow, let's see this.
David, now I'm going to tell you how they are doing homemade vodka. So they are taking grapes from the gardens and preserve it in these big barrels for 2 weeks, and imagine the sugar turns into spirit. And then they are taking that substance and put it in here in this pot, making a fire under it, and then imagine the steam of the spirit goes up through this pipe, and then it goes through this cold water, turns it into liquid, which is already heaven, vodka. And you can see the drops right in there dropping down, and we're going to try it.
We're literally gonna try it from here? Right here,
yes,
right now?
Right here we are going to try.
Wow, and what is he doing? He's just sealing it, I guess?
This is like organic cement, this is dough. And he's sticking all this pipe not to lose a steam, even a drop of vodka, imagine.
So this is only for the men. Traditionally, men only, because it's really hard labor. Wow, this is intense. Ooh. I mean, I can't imagine. How long they do it? Do we know? I mean, I'm guessing they do it for a while. Ah, I mean, it's big blocks, like huge blocks. Oh, I'm done. We're gonna eat dinner actually outside in the wine garden, but I wanna show you the wine room. This is it, wow. It smells like wine, it's amazing, look at this. So you have stones over there, you have like small barrels, those like cognac barrels, and over here you have the wine barrels, you know? It's fantastic. So if you hear the big group, got these huge tables, right? And over here you have more wine. So they have endless wine, they have some other stuff, they got jams for sale, they have honey, wow, more wine. Look at this, this is like huge jug. Man, this country is amazing. Some of the best wines on the planet. I've drank so many delicious wines. Literally every day I've tried something different. And yeah, so that's basically the room, right? So if the outside is full, you can eat inside here. But we decided to eat outside. I think it's gonna be better for us. Enjoy the nice breeze, drink some vodka, try some wines, and the food's gonna blow our minds. Got beef, got lamb, got veg. Let's go. I'm hungry and I need a drink. Oh, and they're serving us coffee and some dried fruits. I'm pretty good with the coffee. If I drink coffee right now, I won't sleep tonight. Oh, here it is. I'm gonna try some of these dried fruits. I love the peach. The peach is the best. I also like the apricot. Apricot right here. And there's plums, right?
Yes. Very healthy, by the way.
Other one up. And right here, we have the vodka slowly coming out. I think they're gonna wait till it's like really full, once the whole thing's done, and then we're gonna try it. Man, it smells so good, so
yeah,
pure.
I feel it.
Yeah, that's strong.
I can't wait until it becomes like full. We need to try it right now.
All right, guys, so we have a massive feast. Here we have some delicious beef.
Kufta
Beef. Wow, looks phenomenal. I can't wait to try it. We also have veg, cheese. We got lamb with potatoes. We have beans with egg. Wow. We have some tomato salad as well. Then has pomegranate salad. We have some lavash with some white wine, some red wine. We have water. And what is this? What's this red wine we have here? You said it's Victory?
It's Armenian Victory.
Armenian Victory. That's the name of the wine.
Yes.
Okay. Should we try? Well, she's going for the butter.
But it's a victory also for us. Having this much wine and still surviving. You want butter?
No butter, please.
Butter is not for him.
No, I'm gonna wait for you to break my fast.
So this is a beef meat, which you turn into a minced meat, but you keep scrambling it.
Okay.
You scramble, you add egg, you add a little bit of cognac, you add a little bit spices, and you keep scrambling it, and then you just turn it into balls. I mean, you put it in the round shape plate, that minced substance, and then you put it in the boiling water. Perfect. So it turns into a round shape. You remember we saw it in the kitchen, and it's boiled. It becomes like kufta, and then you cut it on the slices, put it on the table, adding a butter on it after.
So I need to add butter?
This is what we have, because with butter it's really special.
All right, I'm gonna eat a piece without butter. Forgive me.
Just try with butter.
I'm gonna try it now with butter, but that was so good. That was like it's like a spongy meat, you know? Spongy, soft. Wow. Now I got mad butter. So I'm gonna flip it over and put butter on the bottom. Put it here, cut a piece. Oh wow. It's almost like the beef absorbed the butter. And this you have to eat right away. As soon as it comes out, eat it. We were like taking photos and she was like, no, we gotta eat.
And so now I guess you are happy, and he says, especially when we meet sweet people like you, like me and you, in Georg.
Gnats. Victory. Love it. It's a strong body wine. Love the color too. It's good, my friend. Good nuts. It's good, it's good.
Good.
You like it or what?
You feel flavor, strong flavor.
Next up, we're trying the delicious green beans and eggs. Oh yeah. It's basically scrambled eggs with green beans, but a lot more green beans, like very little eggs compared. So good. So fresh. I'm gonna get a small piece, like super long, the lava. Put it back over here. Go in, make yourself like a nice, yummy little burrito. Wow. Oh man, I would love to eat this for breakfast.
They say we don't have anything stored in the fridge. Like we need to order in the morning, we need to get all the stuff and prepare everything fresh. Like they don't have anything like stored in a fridge. They don't have it. They just get it from the farm.
That's why it's so good.
And cook it, yeah.
I'm gonna get some more of that. That was like out of this world. The flavors, the ambiance, the mood, everything. And next up we got 3 things. So we have delicious beef, like mouth-watering beef. Look at this. Got the fat, got the rib, and over here we have beets with pomegranate, so beet salad. And over here we have like greens, like a super dark green with onion and more pomegranate. So I'm gonna try this one. Super healthy, so delicious.
Aveluka. So horse oil.
Walnuts, because the town's famous for walnuts, right? Wow, it tastes straight up like kale, but it's different. It's like a little more green, like more health. Delicious, delicious beets. The flavors here are so rare because you almost always eat stuff with spices and stuff. This is like just straight the food. That's all it is.
Yeah,
just
exactly.
the food, and that's it.
Less spices.
Next up, I'm gonna grab this delicious beef. Look at this. I'm gonna cut this open.
They didn't kill the cow, but they know him from very childhood. So he ate an organic grass. It's a trusted cow.
Wow, the tenderness. Dude, the fat all over it.
They prepare it for 4 hours at least.
4 hours?
Fire.
It's so incredible, this beef. Like, so incredible. Have some beef, try some delicious wine. Okay, Ganats. Ganats.
And for Yeganyan house.
Ganats. Yeah, it pairs extremely well with this. Yeah, you have to book really early because they only have 2 real rooms, so
yeah,
it's limited.
They are very happy, especially you decided to be in Armenia, and so they are very glad for that.
Ganats.
Reach all your goals.
Thank you so much. You too.
Georg joins this Ganats with the dishes.
Wow, that's good. It's different. It's a little stronger of a white. I like this though. It's like, you know what I like about their stuff? It's not like so. It's more like almost like farmhouse wine, you know, but not just like regular. It's a little better, you know, better than that.
It's different.
Because sometimes you drink like a house wine, you're like, oh, but this is like a really good house wine, you know. Wow.
It's like they just made it.
Everything just made it. Get nuts. 60%. It's amazing. Wow. Wow. Super tasty vodka. The grapes. It's almost like, it tastes like vodka, like a little bit like grappa. Like grappa? A little bit of grapes, obviously. Woo. One more. Check this out. We got dried plums. Wow, I love how they do it. I've actually never seen this in my life. Basically, they have like a little fence, right? So it clears, so they have the sun, you know, cooks it basically, and then under it, like, you know, all the moisture come out, right? So it basically becomes dry.
We're playing a typical, very old, traditional Armenian game with apricot seeds. So kids used to play this game. They mark the place where the main seed is, and each of us should have 10 seeds, and we're going to hit the main one.
Okay.
We have the line here, we cannot step it.
So basically you have to get it as close as you can to the main one. So if you hit one, then you get an extra chance.
If I hit the main one, I can take all the seeds. If I hit like some of them, I take mine and the one I just hit it. Nelly is the winner.
No way. She hit the main one?
Yeah.
She threw one and she hit the main one, so she won it all? I'm not playing this game. So what is this called?
Hole.
Hole.
Hole, like speed. Oh no! Yes! I got it there!
I am so happy I came to Ashtarak. This was an incredible experience. So local, so unique. I mean, going from the vineyards here to the winery, in the wine like garden. Yeah, so overall amazing experience. I definitely suggest coming here. This is like a word of mouth place. And again, the food is incredible. The beef dishes, the veg, and again, farm to table. Everything comes from these gardens around here. They don't have anything in the fridge. Literally tomorrow morning they'll go and buy the food for the dinner or the lunch, right? And they have 2 wines. You got the red, got the white. They also have the grape vodka, which is really strong.
Like
just made it, and it's really strong. I'm gonna leave that to the side. We're just gonna finish with this. Guys, I hope you love this video. I love Armenia. I really have connected well with this country. It's one of my favorites. I'll tell you, top. It's like India, Italy, Greece, Spain, Armenia, up there. It's the same, it's all the same culture. Well, India is different, but alright guys, I hope you love this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, subscribe to my channel for more awesome travel content. I'll see you in the next travel food adventure in Armenia. Peace. Hey again. Get nuts.